if anybody wants to stay ahead in terms of accuracy and efficiency, definitely Clear is the ideal solution. Today's environment is dynamically very challenging. So as regulations, technologies, markets changes, we have to evolve to that extent. In this regard, being proactive rather than reactive helps us to brace ourselves. So leaders can align their financial strategies to come up with these sort of reforms on time. That's the approach we have, and investing in these advancements can help to eliminate all the doubts and uncertainties. And yes, we are ready for whatever comes next. So the main challenges were reconciliation of GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. So we used to manually reconcile all the e-invoices with sales register and all purchase register with the GSTR 2B. So doing manual stuff, it requires a lot of time, and it is prone to mistakes, errors, etc. So looking for automation was our need of an hour, because that's where we can save time on working, and it will be more accurate to go ahead with. And we used to miss out on TDI, PAN validation, threshold limit validation and all. But with Clear, this solution is really well, so that we can take care of all the PAN validation and the threshold limit checks before filing the TDS return. On a monthly basis, we used to spend around 3 to 4 days of 2 to 3 people working on all the GST workings and TDS workings in a month. Doing manual stuff is not only a very time intensive stuff, but it also attracts a lot of errors, mistakes. Before choosing Clear, we explored a couple of solution provider in the market, but what Clear was providing, it was a very comprehensive set of features which we required. Clear has a very unique features like ITC tracking, e-invoices with sales register, reconciliation of GSTR 1 and 3B, and it also helps us to generate report at every levels, which is very useful before filing any sort of returns or forms to the government portal. And because of automation and because of smooth process, we are also able to unblock some of the working capital, which has helped us monetarily. With ClearTax automation and all the smooth processes, the manual time and efforts has significantly gone down. And in case of TDS, because the PAN validation and all the threshold limits are automatically checked, so this has also saved a lot of time for us. The real game changer has been the automated reconciliation feature while filing GSTR 1 and 3B. And on top of that, the automated PAN verification while filing TDS return has also been very useful for us. And we have also integrated Clear's e-invoicing feature or tool with our ERP, and this has helped us to smoothly generate all the e-invoices and track all the invoices via their dashboard.